So we'd start with the background blend automation. This will be used to generate the background plates with shadows, apply the background plates with shadows. So you will project name, add your assets like shoes without any shadows or shoes with shadows, doesn't really matter. Once you have your assets in here, choose a background plate. This is basically a image file of essentially the same size as your output size. You can upload that from your desktop, or you can drag and drop in here. Once you drag and drop, you can basically then select it. So once you've selected the plate, you select the size, and then you click on Start Crop. So this will take the generated images and we'll put a background plate with a shadow. So if you can see, before we had no shadow, and we added a background plate with a shadow. And we're not done. So this establishes the correct assets that we can then take into our lifestyle automation. So you take this project, and this will align the plated shoes, and you import your background blended images from the previous one. Once you have these images, now you can go and set the margins. So you can play with the margins to see what is the best fit for you, 40% from the top or bottom. So you can play with the various settings. Eventually we arrive at like 65% from the top, 15% from the bottom. And then you can choose the same size or another size. And once you are done, this would have aligned your shoes to the correct margins, and it would have applied your background plate. So that's basically as simple as that.